God's ain't ground. Folks, guys, I am on the way to a brand new commercial customer. According to this customer, they got a rooftop unit, and I believe it's only one unit. This is a cell phone store. And according to the property manager, they had someone else come out to take a look at the heat system, because allegedly the heat and the AC isn't working. But the guy came out, and I don't know if anything was done or what, you know, the miscommunication was, but now they're saying that the AC isn't working, but the AC needs to be working. That's a higher priority since, you know, the weather's breaking. So guys, at this point, I'm just trying to discern what was said versus what I'm going to see. So there's no reports as far as what was done, but nonetheless, guys, let's go take a look and let's hope for the best. I'll see y'all when I get there. All right, guys, here's the story. The tenant said that they had the thermostat set to 69 and it went up to 72. And this is a storefront, so there's a bunch of windows in the front. But guys, look at this. Right now it's about 55 degrees out. This is a good supply temp, but guys, I only see one return, which is back here. But I don't see a filter, so I'm pretty sure the rooftop unit has filters inside. I told him I'm just going to jump on the roof and just take a look at the system, but I gotta set my ladder up against this back wall here. But the good news is we have a healthy TD, but I think this might be an educational service call. But nonetheless, let me get everything set up. I'll see you on the roof. All right, guys, this is our unit. Wow. I don't know why the doors are off. That's not good. Guys, tell you what, I got to get the model and serial number. And I'm going to check out the filters. And guys, I went back downstairs before I came back up here, and the supply dropped down to like almost 50, 51 degrees. And right now it's not that warm out here. The ambient right now is about 59, 60 degrees, no humidity. It says 60, but it really feels like 50 degrees out here. So I know my supply is not going to be the same as on a warm day, but it is a very encouraging sign to know that we got a 20-degree split. But guys, what I'm going to do, let me get the information here, and I want to take a look at the filters. I'll be right back, guys. This is a 4-ton gas pack rooftop unit. I just took a look at the filters. I'm waiting for the property manager to call me back. These 20 by 2 filters, there's 4 of them in here. They don't look as bad as the ones out here, but at this point, guys, we're going to recommend AC maintenance. Now, when the property manager booked this call, he said that there's like 5 different locations. They usually had a go-to for all 5, but I guess the guy's tied up. Is this one, and I think there's another location that's having the same issue. At this point, I think this boils down to education and most likely maintenance. They said that the heat was not working. I just spoke with the store rep, and he said that the heat stopped working towards the end of last year, and no one ever came out. So they just said, we're just going to ride it out. So, I mean, as of right now, the overnight temp is above freezing, so they're not going to need neither heat or AC. This is a constant 50 to 55 degrees day and night. But nonetheless, I think maintenance, especially new filters, and probably we can put them on schedule before the weather breaks to take a look at the heat. But I see we got another belt here. Cool. What is this, 849? I don't know when the last time maintenance ever got done. Guys, putting 2 and 2 together here, I don't even think, I think we can recommend maintenance. That's going to be a borderline recommendation here, filters and a new belt. But I just think this place runs, all 5 locations, they just run these units to the ground, and when it breaks, it breaks. But tell you what, I got the power off, guys. Let me call this property manager real quick. I got to figure out what they're going to do. I'll be right back. All right, guys. At this point, this is a classic third-party decision maker here. Maintenance is definitely going to be recommended, and how loose that belt was, even though they had another one, maintenance is going to be important here, unless, like I said, they want to wait until, you know, something breaks down. I mean, that's up to them, but I just sent over the proposal to the property manager, and then at that point, he's going to have to relay that information to the owner. But yeah, guys, besides that, I mean, there isn't any mechanical issues that I can see, but nonetheless, at least they know about it. From this point on, they got to make a decision if they want to roll the dice or if they want to get service done to hopefully prolong this thing so they don't have any issues this summer. But all right, guys, I got to head to the truck and head to my next call. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.